In an earlier video, I showed you how to make minty milk chocolate. This time, I am going to show you two different types of recipe using banana flavor. Now you can use banana puree, or if you want to make it simpler, you can also use ready-made banana flavor that comes in bottles. So we are going to make two different recipes. One is banana dark chocolate and the other is banana latte, coffee base. So two different delicious drinks using two sizes of cups. One is 16 ounces and the other is 22 ounces. For the coffee, I am going to use 16 ounces, and for the chocolate, I am going to use 22 ounces because I love chocolate. So let's get started with the chocolate. So to make chocolate in 16 ounces, first we are going to use dark chocolate, unsweetened dark chocolate. Any brand will do, but make sure it is pure dark chocolate or cocoa. So I am going to use 1.5 scoop, or 1 scoop is 4 teaspoons, so this is about 6 teaspoons. Because I am making 22 ounces, I'm going to put 3 ounces of hot water. And we are going to dissolve this. Make sure it is fully dissolved. And then let's put it aside for now. Let us make our latte mix. For this, I am going to put 2 ounces of fresh milk. And then I am going to put 1.5 ounce of my milk syrup, which is a combination of sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk, into my glass. And then I am going to use 20 ml of the banana flavor. Now this banana flavor really smells like banana. It tastes so good too. So 20 ml of this delicious banana flavor into my glass. And this is our banana latte mix. This is for my chocolate drink. Now let's make one for the coffee latte, for the banana latte. And for this one, I am also going to use 45 ml of the milk syrup. I'm just going to borrow the spoon here. 45 ml of the milk syrup. And then I am going to put 2 ounces of fresh milk. And then once again, 20 ml of my banana flavored. Sorry, I forgot that this is 22 ounces. I have to put 30 ml or 1 ounce of my banana latte syrup. So I'm going to add one more here to make it 1 ounce. There you go, another 2 delicious recipes that you can try at home. It's time for the moment of truth. This is banana cafe latte. The smell of espresso is amazing. Okay, let's try banana with coffee. Lovely color there. A fruity coffee. You can pair coffee with any flavor. I tried it with white melon. It's also delicious. This is banana cafe latte. Very, very delicious. You must give this a try. I love it. Now, for the dark chocolate, this time, banana dark chocolate. When I make my toast, I love to put banana, slices of banana, and then put chocolate on top. This is just as delicious as that one. You must give this a try. I love it. Very delicious. Look at this. Beautiful drinks. One banana cafe latte and banana dark chocolate. Both equally smashing drinks. There you go, 2 new recipes to try at home or for your milk tea and coffee shops. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'll see you again in my next video. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.